Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I made this crisscross tie back tank top. And as you can see, I tried to stick with the Halloween theme, and I got some spiderweb fabric, which is really pretty. I will put everything I used and the material of this fabric down in the description box, but let's get started. So as you can see, I have my fabric down and I have it folded in half. So I'm using a top that I already have, and if you don't have a top or any type of bralette, I do have a tutorial on how to make a bralette that you can actually follow. I will put that down in the description box, and you can go from there on trying to make this top. But basically what I'm doing here is I'm basically just cutting out one of the cups for the tank top, and I'm gonna cut out 2 pieces each. So I will have a total of 4 pieces of fabric cut out because the fabric is folded in half. So the tank top, or the cups for the tank top, will be double lined, if that makes sense. And basically, like I said, I'm just cutting around it, and I do need to get a better rotary cutter, so that's why it's looking like it's taking a bit of time trying to cut it out. I do need to get a better rotary cutter or maybe a different blade. But here I am putting the fabric right sides together, and then I'm gonna cut out another one. I'm gonna use the one that I just cut out as a pattern. And you could say that this is kind of like a bralette, but the way that it looks more like a tank top when it's completely finished. So when I have that cut out, I'm going to put that the fabric right sides together as well, and I'm going to place that to the side. And as you can see here, I am cutting off the excess fabric that I already have some cutouts on, and I'm just going to place that to the side for maybe like some DIY stuff, you know, maybe some scraps, you know, of my leftover fabric. Now I'm going to be working on my straps. So basically I'm just kind of eyeballing it. I didn't have a particular size of width or anything. Lately I've just been eyeballing it as far as like length and width wise. No particular measurement or anything like that. I pretty much just been going with the flow. So as you can see, I'm kind of just eyeballing it, what I feel is comfortable or a good width, and I'm just gonna cut that. And I'm gonna be cutting 2 pieces of strap. So here's my first one. And then I'm working on my second strap, so I'm gonna fold that fabric over a little bit, and I'm gonna try to fold it to where it's about the same size, and then I'm gonna cut that out as well. So I have 2 straps now and 2 cups for the tank top, which are double lined. So once I have that cut out, it is time to pin everything together. As you can see, I already have the straps pinned on the side, and now I'm going to pin my cups together for the tank top, and I'm just going to pin these sides together. I'm not going to mess with the top. I'm not going to mess with the bottom. And I will give you guys a better close-up of how everything looks. So here's a close-up of everything being pinned together. My straps are pinned down on one side, and then for the cups I have them pinned on both sides. I'm going to take it to my serger actually, and I'm just going to serge both sides, and I'm going to serge my straps together. Do not touch the top or the bottom. Anything that's not pinned, do not sew or stitch together. If you don't have a serger, you can zigzag stitch, straight stitch, whatever you prefer. Here's everything stitched together. I turned it right sides out. Now I am working on the band for my underbust, which I'm going to attach the tank top or bralette cups to, and I'm going to serge that together. So once I do, I have a longer piece, and I'm actually going to fold it long ways, and I'm going to pin together. But as far as the band for the underbust, basically you're just going to take a tape measure and measure around your underbust, and that's how long your band should be. I had to cut out 2 pieces for mine just to make it longer. So I cut out 2 pieces, sewed them together to make it long as I needed it, and then I folded it long ways, and now I'm pinning it. And I'm going to just take that to my serger as well, and then I'm going to flip that right side out. So here are all of my pieces needed to complete this project. Not that many pieces at all. So now basically it is time to just put everything together. This project is really quick and easy. So here I am placing the straps inside of the cup, and I left about maybe half an inch of fabric inside. So I'm going to actually fold some of that fabric inside, and I'm going to do a top stitch just to secure the cup and the strap. And I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other one. So here I am about to place the cups on the underbust band, and I'm going to pin it, and I'm going to take it to my sewing machine actually, and I'm going to do a zigzag stitch on the very edge of the fabric. So I'm just placing it where it needs to be. And as far as the cups, I probably had maybe about an inch of space between each one, probably less than that, but I'm gonna go about an inch or less. And I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and do a zigzag stitch. Once that's done, it is time to sew my underbust band closed. And so I'm just going to put the 2 ends together, and I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and sew. And I just did a straight stitch for that part, nothing too special. Now for the straps, I'm going to cut a diagonal slant on each end, and I'm going to kind of tuck it or hem it and do a top stitch. So here you see me tucking the fabric in, and I'm just going to clip it in place so the fabric doesn't come out or move or anything like that. But once that's done, I am going to take it to my sewing machine and do a top straight stitch. And yeah, here is the final product of the crisscross tie back tank top. As you can see, I was able to kind of cross it and make it into a little bow at the front. So hopefully you enjoy this video. It's very easy, very simple, and very cute for the Halloween season with the spider webs. If you need help on making a bralette, please make sure to check out my tutorial on how to make a bralette. That way it will help you with making this one if you don't have anything to copy from as far as making a pattern. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and make sure to comment any video ideas. It does not have to be sewing or fashion related. It can literally be anything. So yeah, just comment below, interact with me, get to know me, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.